Hi everyone, it's Annette, your Fairy Dust Nails, and I'm going to show you today how I do this beautiful red nail with a bubble. I call it a bubble on it. This is the second coat that I've put onto this nail. So we're going to cure this as well for 60 seconds, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this has been cured with the second coat. So I'm just going to take a lint-free wipe and wipe the sticky layer off. I'm just going to wait for it to dry there like that. And then I take one of these pink buffers and I just give it a light buff, so that this, the art that we're going to do on it, the bubble and the silver strings that we're going to put on it, that it actually sticks, so that the nail is a bit rough. There we go. You can see there the shine disappears from the gel wipe off solution. So now I'm going to take this silver gel and of course my very fine nail art brush, just dip it into my silver gel, and then what I'm going to do is, just for interest sake, make loops like it's hanging from somewhere, There we go. And you can go over again. Oops. There we go. And then we can go to there. You can do this as an accent nail. So I'm going to draw this bubble string. I'm saying that it's string, but this bubble is going to hang down from there up to about there. Shall we make two? I think so. Let's make two bubbles on this nail. Okay. There we go. Okay, and I'm just going to cure this for 60 seconds quickly. So now I'm going to take, after I've cured it for 60 seconds, I'm going to use some of the silver to just draw the outline of this bubble. And of course, we've got to try and make it as round as possible, which is not always the easiest thing to do. And I keep on going out of frame. I'm so battling with my phone, because I do all my videos on my one phone that I've got. There we go. And this one we can do lower down. There we go. And I'm just going to cure this for 60 seconds as well. So while this is curing, I'm just going to show you that I've got this glitter that it's called Lily Angel. And when I open it up, it's got these it's like a very, it's like a top coat glitter kind of thing. It's a see-through glitter. Then it's got this fine and bigger pieces of silver glitter in it. Now when the light shines on it, you can see that it actually shimmers. Now that's the one that I'm going to use to make the bubble. So now we've got to be quick. You have to have your lamp ready so that you can flush cure. So what I'm going to do is take a droplet of this, and you'll see it'll drip. So what we're going to do is let it drip, put it in the middle of that circle, and quickly flush cure. Just for like 10 or 15 seconds. Because then you're ready to put the next, droplet of the glitter gel polish onto it. And then once you've gotten the size of the bubble that you want, then you can cure it for your full 60 or even to 90 seconds. There we go. So we've flush cured it. And as you will see from the side, it's making that bubble effect now. So we're going to keep on doing that until the bubble is big enough for us. So I've put another bit on. So flush cure quickly. Here we go. You've got to make sure that you put it into the lamp as quick as possible, because this gel polish it's very liquidy and it runs. So to have that droplet shape, you've got to make sure that you put it down, cure it as quick as possible, or put it under the lamp so that it starts curing as quick as possible. Okay, so we've cured it for a few seconds. Let's cure it again quickly. There we go. Other droplet is done. Now we make sure that it stays where you've actually wanted it to go. So there we go. So now you can see from the side, yeah, that it's actually a nice big bubble. That's why I call it a bubble. So we're going to do the second one. Put down your droplet and cure. And then we're going to go do another droplet here so that it's also bigger. And cure, of course. Now I'm putting it in there. I'm going to cure it for a full 60 seconds and I'll be back in a few minutes. A few seconds, sorry. And there we go. So far it's looking good. There's a bubble and there's a bubble. And it's nice and hard. So what we can do is maybe stick little caviars around. I think that's what we'll do. But first of all, I want to show you what I actually do. I take a little bit of a clear gel with my striper brush, but a very, very little bit. And you see these things that we've put down here as the strings that's hanging for the little lights. I just paint over it lightly with a bit of clear. And now the magic starts. I'm going to show you why I do that. I'm just going to put down a thin layer of this clear, because you are going to encapsulate this with a layer of glitter. So what I've got is I've got these small little hexagon glitters. I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to put them down there. Then they're going to look like little lights. Do you see what's happening here? There we go. And what you do is you make them stick a little bit to the bottom of that line so that it looks like these little lights are hanging down from the actual string. I just push them down a little bit. There we go. And there we've got more than what we need, so we just need to shift them where they need to go. That one goes there. This one will go there. And so we're going to quickly flush cure them. "30 seconds. Now I've got these little caviar pieces. I'm also going to take a little bit of my clear gel. I'm just cleaning off my brush quickly. I'm sorry about that. There we go. Here we go. So on the bobble, I'm just going to go around on this side like this with a clear gel. And we're going to go stick some of these little bollikies. Don't know why I keep on going out of frame today. I'm so sorry. Being real silly. Just so that it looks like there's a bit of texture, you stick these little bollikies around. I'm just trying to get all the silver ones out there on my little palette. Yeah. Because I don't have just silver, I've got this mixture going here of red, silver, gold. So now I've got to pick out the silver ones. That's why I've thrown it into this little palette of mine. And it's starting to look awesome. Like always, there's always a little one that's not supposed to be there that also wants to creep into the woodwork. So there I've got a little black one that I've got to get off. There we go. and it actually looks very, very nice. This one I'm going to take the red bubbles. Just make sure that I've got the little bit of clear gel around it like that. And then I'm going to put the red bubbles there. Little bolletjies. It looks like shiny and textured with the glitter and everything around. So it's actually beautiful. Two black ones again. And I'm just cleaning off the brush. We don't want black ones. This one we want kind of gold ones, silver ones. And this one we want red ones. I keep on battling with this brush of mine, picking up these fluffs today. That's it. Now we need some silver and gold ones. And let's cure this now. This is what it looks like now. Let's cure this for a few seconds and let's see where we are. And there we go. Simple, nice. Just going to top coat now and I will show you the reveal pictures. Speak to you soon. Maybe I'll make another video tonight. Bye.